Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to another English class of grade 6, and this is our video number 5. Let's have a look on today's learning objectives. Today we will discuss elements of story and we will read and learn a story. I will tell you about the elements of story and why they are important. The first element of the story is characters. Without character, a story could not be complete. These are the people, animals, or creatures in the story. Just like today's story, we will see that an animal is our main character of the story. The main character, that is a protagonist, and this is the hero of the story. And other characters could be friends, family, or even enemies. Next, second element of the story is setting. This tells us that where and when the story happened. In this element, there comes to think, place, and time. The third element of the story is plot. This tells us what happens in the story. It could be events. It has parts. Beginning. In the beginning, there comes introduction and middle. In the middle, there comes problem or action, and then ending where a hero or protagonist find solution of problem. The fourth element of the story is conflict. This is the problem of the story. It can be between people or inside a person. For example, in the previous story we saw the brothers fighting with each other. Next, fifth element of the story is theme. This is the message or lesson of the story. For example, union is strength and honesty is the best policy. And the last element of the story is resolution or solution. This tells us how the problem is solved at the end of the story. For example, in the previous story, we saw that brothers stop fighting and live happily, and they also learned a message. I know you must think that why these elements are important in a story. So let's discuss. Story elements are important because they make a story clear, meaningful, and interesting. They also help us understand the story. For example, elements like characters, setting, and plot make it easier to know who, where, and what is happening. They also make story interesting. Without events or climax, a story would be boring. These elements keep readers excited. The theme or message helps readers learn something important from the story. Students, our today's topic of the story is a foolish stag, and the moral of the story is all that glitters is not gold. You will learn this story from Pilot A1 as I mentioned. But if you do not have a book, you can also learn from here. And this is your homework, students. You will learn this story from Pilot A1. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.